Bang, those are the wheels right there. Just got put on the Shelby, new tire setup, absolutely insane. Mid-pipe is all fixed with the GT350 now, so I'm super excited about that. But stay tuned for a full video on the wheels with the lowering springs. We'll have rollers and all that good stuff for you guys on the channel. My brother the other day took a video. I'm gonna throw it up on screen right over here. And yeah, as you can see, the car shot a flame in that video, and I wasn't even trying to shoot a flame or anything, and it shot a pretty freaking nice flame. So I'm gonna go out today, throw this GoPro on the back bumper of the car, and see what kind of flames we can get on the freeway. We'll try out some no lift shifts and some regular shifts and see what ends up happening with it. Let me know down below in the comments if you think it's gonna shoot flames, how big the flames are gonna be. Yeah, so it's just running regular 91 right now. I know if I put an octane booster, like, this thing will shoot way bigger flames apparently with octane booster. E85 in a tune, like, this thing just shoots out like 2-3 feet flames. It's absolutely ridiculous. But let's go ahead and hop up in the Shelby and hit the freeway out in Mexico, and we'll see what this thing does. So let's go ahead and fire her up and we'll hit the road. As you can see, the car is pretty warm right now. Let's go ahead and put it in sport mode. Sounds so nice. This thing's so ridiculous at these low RPMs even. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it sounds like a little too raspy for my liking at 2,500 RPMs, but it screams. It's like I don't even think camera's gonna do it justice, but it's so loud. So that just about wraps up today's YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. Watch the videos and support your boy, because the gas prices out here in California are kind of going crazy right now. But if you guys enjoyed the video, smack the like button. I got more videos on the Catless reviews coming up. Catless GT350, how the valves still work, all that good stuff coming very soon to the channel. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see all you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beaten, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.